Steve, you're in the hats for the next round. That's the important thing.
100%. That's what we wanted to do. But I got to give credit, all right, to Gresffordd, because I thought they made it really difficult, especially first half. They pressed us really aggressively. It was difficult to play through. And yeah, it was tough.
Ollie, 4-0 the final score. Looks comfortable, but Gresffordd made it difficult for you at times.
Yeah, I think credit to them. They come here and gave it a real good go and gave us a battle, especially in the first half. But I think we started to take control in the second half and probably could have had a few more. But like you said, 4-0 win, clean sheet, plenty of goals. Pretty happy in there.
If I'm being honest, not the result we were looking for, but I don't think we in reality, we're expecting to come down here and turn them over. So it was all about what the result was going to be. We had a game of 90 minutes on Wednesday against Buckley where we got run over, and while it was 6-4, it was 6-2 at one stage, and if I'm being honest, it probably should have stayed 6-2. So to regroup from that result and put in that performance, and to me it's nothing about the result, where we are in the league, it's all about the performance, and I think the lads are a credit because they've proper played for the Bards today, and that was a top performance that we put in.
It was a type of game where people look at it and expect you to win, and they are sometimes the most difficult games to play in, you know, to try and relax and just express yourselves. But like you say, once that first goal went in, second half, we got the second, and then it was sort of comfortable from then on in.
7 goals for yourself now in the Welsh Cup this season. Are you looking at those scoring charts and seeing your name at the top? Is that an added motivation, or is it just a matter of getting through the rounds?
I think just getting through the rounds. You know, we want to win the competition as a team, but on a personal note, it's always good to score goals. I'm just looking to carry that into the league, really.
When you get to the last 8, they're all good teams. Obviously, you hope for a home draw, don't you? But look, we'll take what we're given, all right. But we'll be interested spectators on Monday evening.
Brickfield's our next fixture. Unfortunately, it's not till after Boxing Day, so we've got a bit of time on the training ground now to give it everything to turn that performance into goals and start climbing up the league, because you know this squad is far better than the league position suggests. And you know, Eddie and Dan, the last management team, they've put a quality group together here, so there'd be no complaints from anyone, and we've just got to now start putting points on the board and get where we need to be.